In this video, I will be discussing water input and water output. Water is required to replace losses in the body. The average adult takes in about 2,500 milliliters of water every day. 60% of water input is obtained from drinking water and beverages, 30% is obtained from moist foods, and 10% is obtained from water of metabolism, where water is produced as a byproduct during the last step of aerobic respiration. In other words, we primarily rely on thirst to guide water intake. Thirst is a basic instinct or urge that drives an organism to ingest water. The thirst mechanism is triggered when total body water decreases by as little as 1%. About the same amount of water, 2,500 milliliters, leaves the body each day. The reason for this is because our bodies must maintain water balance to protect against dehydration, kidney stones, and other medical problems. Typically, the average body loses 60% of water through urine, 6% through feces, 6% through sweat, and 28% through evaporation from skin and lungs during breathing. But of course, the exact amount of water loss depends on several factors. For instance, the total amount of urine depends on the amount of waste solute that needs to be excreted. The total amount of water that evaporates from the skin depends on the body's surface area, and the total amount of water lost by the lungs during breathing depends on the amount of air breathed, which depends on oxygen and carbon dioxide production. There's also some additional contributing losses of water, such as environmental factors like humidity and temperature, and the intensity and duration of physical activity. So for instance, a person living in a place with a hot climate will have decreased urine production, and a very physically active individual will have greater water loss through sweat.